Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button so you can know every time a video drop. Today we are juicing
lemon, ginger, cucumber, kale, and
celery. Yes, so that is what we're juicing. The hopper is already loaded up and ready to go, and we are gonna get into this green juice. All right, guys, you know the motto on the page.
Each one teach one.
Juicing with Jay, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. All right, guys, fresh green juice. We had celery, kale, lemon, and green apples with a hint of ginger to good health. You know the motto on the page.
Each one teach one.
And we'll see you on the next video. Peace. Look at it. Peace.